নওশিতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে সকল ইউটিউব দর্শকদের স্বাগত জানিয়ে আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 119 স্টার্ট করব। আজকের এপিসোড যেহেতু সামনে পুজোর সিজন আসছে, অনেক ফেস্টিভ সিজন আসছে এবং তার সাথে সাথে বিয়ের সিজনও, তার জন্য আজকে প্রচুর আমি ডুপিয়ানের সম্ভার দেখাবো। অল হ্যান্ডওভেন পিওর হ্যান্ডলুম বেনারসি ইন পিওর ডুপিয়ান টাসার্স। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, যেগুলো আমি অলওয়েজ আমাদের সবার ভীষণ প্রিয়, ভীষণ ফেভারিট, অ্যান্ড we love these weaves, the concept and the fabric. It's in pure Dupian Tussar Banarasi. It's hand woven with rich woven blouse piece. So here is a burgundy color woven Banarasi. I've shown this kind of weaves numerous times, but what happens is since the booty changes, the Meena changes, I keep on repeating these kind of products in various weaves. I still get SMSs and WhatsApp for these kind of sarees. Hence, we repeat showing these, but let me tell you why I keep, since we already have shown, I can already tell you the episode number, this, you can find out more of these products. But since little buta changes, that's why I keep on showing you multiple times. So this is a burgundy color with a lovely Meena buta woven Banarasi, Meena woven border, and this is the throughout buta. Here is the sari, product number 1, and its price is just I'll tell you the price. If I miss out the price, it's there in the scroll. So this is the sari, it's a burgundy color, dual tone, throughout woven with this rich lovely blouse piece. See, make a big sleeve blouse, it look very rich, don't waste the fabric. These are all hand woven all over Jal Banarasi blouse, and 14,900 rupees, 14,900. Number 2, again a similar type, product number 2, similar type, but again the border is different. See, that was the Meena was within the flowers, now the Meena is in between the the only the center part, and it's throughout beautiful Meena weave, and this color is in peacock blue color. And here comes the blouse piece, pallu, rich woven pallu, and yes, a contrast Rani color blouse piece. So you can see how the get up will be when you wear it with this contrast blouse. Very gorgeous, rich, hand woven, and of course dual tone, turquoise blue, peacock blue color, exact peacock blue color. And here is the saree. It has a great fall and a very pretty the fabric. It's a very soft, comfortable, but very heavy quality. You can see the fall. See, I've just done a normal pleat, nothing just general pleat it has been done, and see the fall, how well it has come. So this comes product number 2. Now coming to product number 3, it's in dark magenta color, similar to product number 1, 14,900, again with rich Meena blouse piece. So you can see the blouse piece again, it's fully Jal woven blouse piece. Here comes the sari. Check out the border, the neatness of the border. Product number 3, 14,900 with Meena buta, contrast Jal woven blouse piece, hand woven from Banaras, heavy quality, dual tone. So these are the you know, these are the adjectives I can use for this sari. Now coming to product number 4. Midnight Blue, 119 episode, 14,500. This too has Meena Buttas, but as you can see, all weaves are different from each other. No repeat orders, because handloom product, that border, the weave will never be the same. Maybe it will come, but when, I also don't know. So here is the border, broad border on one side, narrower border on the other side, small Meena Buttas throughout, and here is the pallu along with the blouse piece is in purplish color, magenta purplish color like the border. So together, if you see, you can understand how it will look. The whole concept of these are actually woven pure Banarasis, and these are for bridal wear, you know, for weddings and all. You can, these are very traditional handlooms, and always these will never go out of fashion actually. So product number 4. Now coming to product number 5, red, 14,500 in red, and these reds are so rich, so rich. Main, just see the finish. This is the back side. These are all Karwa hand woven borders. This is the back side. Pallu. Blouse piece. Blouse piece has a pinkish tone, reddish Rani color blouse. So it's a red and Rani color combination, because the border itself, you can see the color from this side, the difference in the color. This is red and this is the Rani. On top of this, this work has been done. And Rani color is, it is in two-tone Rani, so it's reddish Rani. It's a beautiful shade. You know, you can, I usually prefer antique zari. Though these are not very antique, the one that I am wearing, it's more antique. These are goldish antique zari, not the loud one. I personally have a soft corner for antiques. This is the sari. Stunning weaves. Now coming to Big Buta. Sleek narrow border. 12,500. You can see the rich weave in the blouse throughout Buta, and the color is again a burgundy color, purplish burgundy. It's a brinjal color, brinjal skin color. So here is the sari with Big Buta, narrow sleek border. Since there's Big Buta, I've done the border slightly narrower than the other ones, and this is the woven pallu, the rich woven Meena blouse. Each product I'm showing you very closely, the weave, the color. Firstly, let me tell you a few things. Because of the showroom light, the color may be 19-20 difference, but no filters. If you want to see the still pictures of the product, just check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where you can see the still pictures of the products. It will be uploaded in heirloom collection and also in the bridal collection album. More products are there. So it's first come first serve basis. we will be taking the booking. So this is another one in Viridian green with magenta blouse piece and pallu. It's a rich woven petni blouse piece. This is the pallu. Rich green. This green is dark Viridian green. It's not bottle green but dark Viridian green, very rich color. Product number 7, 11,900 rupees. Product number 7, and closely see the pallu and also the blouse. Here is the blouse piece for this. Floral blouse, carry woven border, paisley border, magenta purple border, carry woven pallu, sorry, and here is the whole sari look. Buttas throughout. Very smart looking sari. Now coming to number 8, hot pink. It's a two-tone, orange and pink two-tone, peach pink two-tone color, but basic color is a bright pink color, very rich color with Rani color border. Throughout butta, the butta is also very smart butta. This is the butta, this is the weave of the sari, this is the border. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. And the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Regular stocks are coming to the store every day. So you can visit both the branches for new collection. Yes, this is the blouse piece and the price is 13,900 is the price for this. For tailoring, you can also contact the tailoring department. Once you make the booking, you want the blouse to be stitched and sent to you. We will give you the tailoring number, tailoring department contact number. So we'll send you the pattern and then you can give your measurements. We'll do the stitching for you and then ship it to you. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata only via courier. International shipping we are doing regularly. The shipping charges depends on the weight and the destination. The more you buy, the less you pay. 13,900 rupees. For booking, please only WhatsApp 7603042696. In case you want to call the 983 number. This is a jet black pure Dupian Tussar Banarasi. It's a beautiful shade of jet black with copper zari, copper gold zari. With this sleek piping border is making all the difference, and also the pallu. See the corner butta, Konya butta border pallu. 11,900 rupees for this. Product number 9. Konya butta antique zari with contrast rich woven Banarasi red blouse. It's a deep red woven blouse piece for this. And see, very small lovely butta and very rich border. The border is very rich, gorgeous border, jet black. Very classy sari and always our favorite. You can wear it to parties, you can wear it to formal occasions. For gifting, we love this combination and so soft and comfortable sari. And especially with this woven blouse piece. Now number 10, another very smart sari in this traditional look. Number 10, it's again a burgundy polka dot woven sari. Polka is very trendy now, and that also in a traditional Banarasi weaving a polka, it's look very smart. You can see the very smart sari, the look of the sari, sleek upper border, polka woven throughout. This is the lower border. Mainly I would like to show you the neatness of the finish of the border, the weave. Not the thick zari which comes out, sticks out, no. Just see how well the polish is done, the weave is done. The pallu. How intricate the weave is, how neat the finish of the weave is. 11,500 with this. Again, woven border. It's a monotone sari. Solid color in burgundy with throughout polka dot weave in zari. Very smart looking. Sundays we remain closed. Monday to Saturday 10 to 8 p.m. we are open regularly. So about this mannequin, let me tell you about the mannequin. I've made her wear another Dupi and Tassar Banarasi with big buta in jet black Ganga Jamuna border. The upper border is in Rani, the lower border is in red. And see the lovely buta, red blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Rich red woven blouse piece for this. The upper part Rani and the lower part will be in red. So that's why the blouse is also red. It's in jet black with all over buta. Antique zari, and the price for this is, can you just check the price? Price for this. So this is the sari. I'll tell you the price for this. It's a very rich woven blouse piece, and also the sari is also very gorgeous. So I'll tell you the price for this. 13,000. 11,900 is the sari. Sorry for the inconvenience. 11,900 rupees for the sari, and I've shown you already the details of the product. Now coming to inch border heavy buta. Very sleek inch border and rich big butas along with another small buta. So it's a more or less it's a solid color, but because of the buta and the color, mainly the color is very rich. So it's really very nice color combination. It's a two-tone reddish Rani color. Two-tone reddish Rani with this border. So this is the border of the sari, very sleek body. Yes, the blouse is also very rich since the sari is kept sober along with this gorgeous woven blouse piece. This is a very smart looking blouse. See, it's a new kind of a weave. Blouse is also very smart looking. Yes, it will have the sleek border also. So this is the sari along with this blouse. Very smart looking. You know, this, since it's a narrow border, not too heavily woven, you can wear it to any semi-formal occasion also. For anniversaries, that would be a very pretty sari when you have guests coming over at your home. So that's also very nice. So something like what I'm wearing, let me show you. As I said, I have a soft corner for antique weaves because these are more, of course these are more expensive. This zari is more expensive than the shiny zari. I get messages to show shiny zari also, but personally what I don't like, I don't want to showcase those. Not too shiny, I'm not very fond of too much shine. So these antiques have a different class, and see, it's a solid color sari with antique zari woven throughout. It's a rich raw silk dupion, pure silk dupion, solid color with this sari will have this blouse. See, it's a contrast red blouse piece with the sari. Totally in pure Banarasi raw silk. Price is 12,500. 12,500 for this set sari with this blouse, and yes, this is the pallu. Very interesting because it's in monotone with contrast blouse, and the neck piece that I'm wearing, 7,000. It's a little heavy, very heavy metal with alternate stone work, stone setting, and yes, it will have this temple jewelry. It's actually temple jewelry. This is the earring, and this will be the Mangtika. So this is for this. It's a very traditional design and very good finish, premium jewelry. 7,000 is for the set. Now coming to product number 12. I'll show you few more of these products. These are newly woven. I know you always expect me to show something new, and even I would love to bring some changes in the weaves. So this is the new concept in solid color raw silks, pure woven Dupian Banarasi, pallu, 12,500, product number 1212500, rich red color and with contrast rich green blouse piece. So here is the look of the product. It looks really grand. Wear it with this contrast blouse, wear chunk big, you can wear your golds, you can wear your green jewelry, your emerald sets. It will look really nice. These are for traditional wear, really red and dark green. And this pure silk green reds, they look so nice. I'll show you some lovely colors, all newly woven for the festive season. Peacock blue. Can you see the richness of the product, the fabric, the color, the silk? $12,500 again for rich peacock blue color. And here is the blouse piece. Contrast blouse piece. So no touch of red in the sari, only in the blouse. So it looked really nice, and the blouse is also so rich, the color. Now coming to magenta, all the weave is different. Now this is dollar buta with shikarga peacock motif in between the butas. Shikarga border, shikarga buta, ₹12,500. Very rich color, very rich. It's a bright magenta rani color with, wow, see the combination. This is a Rama green blouse with this. So Rani with Rama green. Very pretty. This combination is very gorgeous. Similar one, I have a red. Dollar buta, shikarga border, rich red. So all those who were wanting reds for the wedding and they were waiting for these kind of rich reds, and these reds, they are not loud, they are not tomato red, and neither these are maroon. So it's a beautiful, the best color red which goes with our Indian skin tone. So this red, jeta amra shidure lal boli, টকটকে shidure lal. So this is the blouse piece. Rich green blouse. Very simple sari, but the concept is just because of the totally contrast woven blouse piece, the look of the sari will absolutely change, and of course the fabric, you will love this fabric. 12,500 again in navy. This zari color is also very unique color. What would I say? This is a very difficult to say the zari color. It's very rich color, but it's not goldenish. It's a lovely antique look. 12,500, not silver either. And yes, this is the blouse piece, red blouse. So rich navy with red. Very pretty. It's even I'm finding it so contented to show you these kind of weaves. Another red. I'm showing you many reds this time, so all those who are waiting for silk reds, they can grab these. $12,500. Rich buttas throughout, and again contrast green blouse. Actually I could have done a black blouse with this, but many can't wear black during the wedding, so green is the safer color, and green and red really looks all time favorite. Always nice, always rich, and you can wear it to any kind of even the mothers and the daughters, sisters, everybody can wear these. Very rich. See the color. So how rich is it looking, green and red. $18. Another vibrant color, green and purple. Somebody had quite a few days back had messaged me about this combination, and don't remember her name. I could have messaged her, but so it's a very rich color combination, rich purple with dark green. She was waiting for me to, she was telling me that I've not bought anything from anywhere. I'm waiting for you to show this color combination. So this is the color, rich green and purple. Now again our favorite black. So see, this episode of Dupion is quite different from the ones that I showed you earlier. New weaves, new designs, new concepts, but handloom, hand woven saris, which I always support, even you support. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, and there's also the YouTube channel which you can like, share and subscribe of course, and to get regular notifications. We will be uploading the next program in the Facebook page. Also check out our Insta page Lalia at Sanskriti. We have no other branches, only 2 branches in Kolkata, because many of my products are rotating in many groups with my picture. Sometimes my throat cut off, only the bottom part with the silk saris, with the Madhubanis. So please let me tell you, we have only 2 branches in Kolkata. So a black and a rich red, and there are 2 more. Okay, this is product number 20, another peacock blue. This weave is different from the previous peacock blue. bold weave. See, the weave is so bold. Even though the zari is antique, because of the weave, the very prominent, rich, bold weave. Here the sari will look rich. 12,500 for all of these. First come, first serve basis. Just when you do the booking, please mention your name and where to ship. When you give the address, please mention your phone number, the contact number. Sometimes you're paying from abroad, and you're shipping it local. So please mention the local phone number so that the courier can contact you before delivery. So this is the sari. Rich peacock blue with red color blouse piece. And the last one, golden yellow, number 21, product number 21, golden yellow, very rich color combination. I'll tell you why, because of the blouse. Yes, this is the blouse piece, but the thing is, this blouse is so rich, but they have not done any weave in the blouse piece border. It's a plain color, silk, rich maroon blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece for this. Just attach a piping with this, since the sari is very rich, bright golden yellow color. 12,500 for the sari, along with this rich silk blouse piece. It's a plain color silk blouse. So that's it for today. Keep watching, keep supporting. সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। পরের প্রোগ্রামটা দেখতে থাকুন। লাইক, শেয়ার and subscribe the channel. Thank you. নমস্কার।